Moorabbin ground, Cessna 172 Lima Sierra Papa for runway 35 right for circuits, dual. Receive Romeo, request taxi clearance.
Sierra Papa, taxi to Hollywood, Alpha runway 35 right.
Alpha 35 right, Lima Sierra Papa.
Beautiful, we're off. That's the one, mate. Whee! Let's go and see what this little sucker can do, eh?
Delta on Echo, permission to taxi to apron.
Moorabbin Tower, Lima Sierra Papa, ready 13 left for circuits.
Lima Sierra Papa, 13 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Lima Sierra Papa.
Well, that was easy.
Yep.
Moorabbin to 0 Boy, Fast confirming information. Sierra is now current noise 13 left and right are active.
Okay, so we want to go to Alt over here. That's all right. Yeah, that's Alt there. That's it. Away you go. Okay, hatches and harnesses, windows open.
Zulu, you're number 3, follow the Cessna who's late on downwind.
Don't even really need right foot. These wonderful crazy sounds that Cessnas make when you're barreling down the runway. Airspeed's coming up, temperature pressure's still in the green, good. We get to about 65 knots, up she goes. That's it. Trim. That's it, you're looking for 80 knots. Whee! Oh, that's nice. Be interesting to see what the audio comes out like for this one. It just knows just fractionally higher, that's it. But it's got a much different attitude to the Warrior. At 400, you can turn your landing light off, just landing light. And 500, so just what you do, just lift that wing up to make sure there's no traffic, and then turn. Just keep that nose up there as well.
Okay, about Mount Dandenong.
Yep, that's a good one. I'll do. Keep the nose up. Try not to. Yeah, that's better. Keep it at 80 knots. Use a little bit of the right rudder to help you out there. Yeah. That little balance ball in the middle.
Okay, coming up to 1,000.
Yep.
Slow the nose.
Bring the power back. Pull it out about an inch or so, and round you go.
Lima Sierra Papa, turning downwind, touch and go. This is not being able to see the runway.
The mid-base.
Looking for traffic, Lima Sierra Papa.
That's it, so just aim for the city, it's about right. Yep. Using that, it's very, very important here that when you straighten up, you actually use your dancing shoes. Okay. Lower the nose a little bit. Bring the power back a little bit too. Maybe she's just overworking it. There's your aircraft over there. Yep.
You want to go to land?
That's why you need past the downwind end of the runway, so bring the power back. No carburetor heat to worry about as such. Yep. The flat operating speed is way back, so you just gotta wait for it to come back. It's about, 83 knots thereabouts. There you go, now you can put the flap on, just put it down to 20%, or 20 degrees I should say. So next one down, that's good. Yep. And it's the same as the Warrior, it pitches up, so you just sort of push forward as you come around. But don't let the nose drop too far. That's it, just sort of feel it around. Just give you a bit of air. Probably get all that power off, mate. All of it off, all of it, all. Get power.
Right, Charlie, number one.
Charlie.
exit on 22.
And you probably put the next stage of flap on because you're a bit high and a bit fast.
Charlie, correction, number 2, follow Cessna, who's mid-base.
Yeah, back Charlie is number 2.
Sierra Park, touch and go.
Clear touch and go, Lima Sierra Papa.
Yeah. Okay, final stage. No, you've already on it. Yep. You gotta really use those feet and hands together.
Downwind, touch and go.
Then you can add a little bit of power now to just sort of help yourself. Yeah, not too much though. Back onto the centre line. That's it. Beautiful. Speed's good. Approach is looking good. Yeah. No, it's just a stall warning. Skip in the air. That's it. Beautiful. Okay. Flap up. Just use your right foot, no left foot, just right foot. That's it. And as she lifts, keep that right foot in there. That's it. Just and hold the right foot in there. Don't let it go. That's it, because that'll keep the ball in the middle, and that'll keep it flying nicely. Hold that right foot in there.